Have you ever wondered what happens in the split second after you type something into Google and hit enter? It feels like magic, right? You ask a question and boom, the answer appears. But behind that seemingly simple search bar is one of the most powerful and profitable business models ever created. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal how Google Search actually makes its billions. It's a story of ads, auctions, and some seriously smart algorithms. So, where does all the money come from? The short answer is advertising. But it's not just any advertising, it's a highly sophisticated system that has revolutionized the industry. Around 90% of Google's parent company Alphabet's revenue comes from Google Ads, and the vast majority of that is generated right there on the search results page. Think about the last time you searched for something you wanted to buy, like best running shoes for beginners. What did you see at the very top of the page? Most likely, a few results with a small sponsored tag next to them. Those are the ads. Businesses are paying Google for that prime real estate, hoping you'll click on their link instead of the organic, non-paid results below. This is the heart of Google's money-making machine, pay-per-click or PPC advertising. Here's how it works. A business, let's say a shoe company, tells Google they are willing to pay a certain amount every time someone clicks on their ad after searching for specific keywords like running shoes. This is called a bid. But it's not as simple as the highest bidder always winning the top spot. That would be too easy and frankly not very user-friendly. Google has a more elegant solution. Google wants to show you ads that are not only profitable for them, but also genuinely useful to you. Why? Because if you constantly see irrelevant ads, you'll stop trusting the search results. And maybe, just maybe, you'll stop using Google. That would be catastrophic for their business. So, they introduced something called the quality score. Quality score is Google's rating of the quality and relevance of both your keywords and your ads. It's determined by a few key factors. First, the expected click-through rate, or CTR. Based on historical data, Google predicts how likely users are to click on your ad when it's shown. A higher predicted CTR means a higher quality score. Second is ad relevance. Does your ad actually match the intent behind the user's search? If someone searches for vegan pizza, an ad for a steakhouse is not relevant, and it will get a low score. The ad copy needs to align closely with the keywords. Third, and this is crucial, is the landing page experience. What happens after someone clicks your ad? Does the page load quickly? Is it easy to navigate on a mobile phone? Does the content on the page deliver on the promise made in the ad? If you advertise 50% off running shoes, but the link goes to a full-priced homepage, that's a bad landing page experience, and your quality score will suffer. So, Google combines the advertiser's bid with their quality score to determine something called ad rank. The formula is, essentially, your bid multiplied by your quality score equals your ad rank. The ad with the highest ad rank gets the top position. This is brilliant because it means a smaller business with a highly relevant ad and a great website can actually outrank a huge corporation with a massive budget but a lazy, irrelevant ad. It rewards quality and relevance, which keeps users happy and ensures the ads they see are actually helpful. It creates a fair and competitive marketplace. Now let's talk about the actual price the advertiser pays. It's not necessarily their maximum bid. Google uses a type of auction called a second price auction. This means the winner doesn't pay what they bid. They pay just enough to beat the ad rank of the advertiser right below them. Specifically, the price you pay is the ad rank of the person below you, divided by your own quality score, plus 1 cent. Let's break that down. Imagine you have the top ad rank. The advertiser in the second position has a lower ad rank. To calculate your cost per click, Google takes their ad rank, divides it by your quality score, and adds a penny. This is genius. It encourages advertisers to bid their true maximum value because they know they'll likely pay less. And again, it heavily rewards a high quality score. If your quality score is double your competitors, you could potentially pay half as much per click, even if you're in a higher position. This entire auction process happens in milliseconds every single time someone hits search. Billions of auctions a day for trillions of searches per year. Each click might only cost a few cents or a few dollars, but when you multiply that by the sheer volume of searches happening globally, you start to see how the numbers add up to billions and billions in revenue. But wait, there's more. Google doesn't just place ads on its search results. You've seen them on YouTube, in Gmail, on Google Maps, and across a vast network of other websites and apps. This is the Google Display Network. Websites can sign up for a program called AdSense, allowing Google to place relevant ads on their pages. The website owner gets a cut of the ad revenue, and Google gets to extend its advertising reach far beyond its own properties. Think about it. You search for a new tent on Google. Later, you're reading a blog about hiking, and what do you see? An ad for that exact same tent. That's remarketing, a powerful feature of the display network. Google knows you're interested in tents, so it shows you relevant ads as you browse the web, gently reminding you to complete your purchase. The same principle applies to YouTube. Before your video starts, you might see a skippable ad. Brands are paying for that placement, often targeting you based on your viewing history, demographics, or even the content of the video you're about to watch. And it's not just about clicks anymore. Advertisers can pay for impressions, which is just getting their ads seen, or for conversions, like a completed purchase or a form submission. The system is incredibly flexible, allowing businesses of all sizes to tailor their advertising strategy to their specific goals. At its core, Google's business model is a triangle of value. Users get a powerful, free search engine that gives them instant access to the world's information. Businesses get a highly effective way to reach customers at the exact moment they are expressing interest in a product or service. And Google, as the facilitator of this connection, builds one of the most profitable companies in human history. The real secret to their success isn't just the auction system. It's the constant, relentless optimization. Google is always tweaking its algorithms, always gathering more data to better understand user intents. Every search you make, every link you click, every video you watch feeds the machine, making it smarter and more efficient. It learns that when someone types "Best Slice New York," they probably want a map of nearby pizza places, not the Wikipedia page for pizza. This deep understanding of intent is what makes the ad so uncannily relevant and therefore so effective. So, the next time you type a query into that clean white search bar, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity happening behind the scenes. It's a lightning-fast auction, a sophisticated quality check, and a deep analysis of your intent all rolled into one. It's not magic. It's a multi-billion-dollar system that changed the internet and the world forever. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more deep dives into the businesses that shape our world. This is Business Explained.